Everyone in the courtroom was laughing except one person. The billionaire John Carter had just mocked his ex-wife Melissa during a high-profile divorce trial, calling her lazy, gold digger, and a burden in front of the judge, lawyers, and packed crowd, wearing his $1 million suit and flashing a smug smile. He thought the courtroom was his stage, and he was the star. For years, he controlled everything: his company, his image, and even his marriage. But on this day, in that courtroom, his arrogance was about to meet its match. Melissa sat quietly, eyes focused, as her lawyer, Sarah Blake, stood up calmly. The room went silent when she said, "Your Honor, we have new evidence that changes the course of this trial." A thick file was handed to the judge, and inside were documents that exposed John's darkest secrets. He had hidden over $50 million in secret offshore accounts, forged financial documents to show losses in his company, and worst of all, there were photos and emails proving an affair with Melissa's best friend. The atmosphere shifted instantly. John's smile vanished. His face turned pale. The confident billionaire who had laughed minutes ago now looked like a ghost. His lawyers scrambled to respond, but the judge's expression said it all. He was furious. But just when everyone thought it was over, Sarah revealed one final twist. Not only had John hidden money, but he had also bought a fake identity under a different name to move assets illegally across borders. The courtroom gasped. The judge called for an emergency review. It was no longer just a divorce, it was now a federal crime investigation. John was no longer fighting for money, he was fighting to stay out of jail. And Melissa, the woman he mocked, she walked out of court that day with full financial victory and public support. Justice wasn't just served, it was delivered with style. The story proves that no matter how powerful you think you are, the truth always finds its way. Never underestimate the quiet ones, they often carry the loudest truths. If you enjoyed this twist-filled courtroom drama, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more unbelievable true stories that will leave you speechless.